Hello viewers, so wondering on how you can go about this maths problem. So come with me and let's solve it up to the end. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So let's begin with the solution. So on our solution, this one is what now we have. 6 to the power of a minus 2 is equals to 48. So as you can see on this our math solution, the 48 is a whole number, while 6 is a base, a minus 2 is an index. So we need to express 48 to the base of 6, which is impossible. So we now need to introduce the log from both sides. So here now we shall have the log of now 6 to the power of a minus 2 is equals to the log of 48. So now we have introduced the log from both sides. Now we all know that suppose we have the log of p to the power of m. So this one can also be rewritten by saying we have the m log of p. So this one now shall be the same. So I want us to express the log to the power of m minus 2 to the form m log p. So this one now we can rewrite it and now say now we shall have a minus 2 log 6 is equals to the log of 48. So that is how now we shall write it. So from here now we want to leave the a minus 2 on this other side only. So that now for us to do that we need to divide both sides by the log of 6. So here now we shall have divide by the log of 6. So this side also shall divide by the log of 6. So that the log of 6 and the log of 6 shall now cancel. Now we shall remain with a minus 2 is equals to the log of 48 all over the log of 6. So we need to indicate the log of 6. So we don't stop there, we still have to work it out because we still have a minus 2 on this other side. But for the meantime, let's factorize the log of 48 all over the log of 6. So that to mean that a minus 2, so a minus 2 is equals to, so our log of 48 can also be written as the log of 6 multiplied by 8 into bracket all over the log of 6. So from there now we shall proceed and now saying that a minus 2, so a minus 2 is equals to, so the log of 6 multiplied by 8 according to the law of logarithm can also be written as the log of 6 plus the log of 8 all over the log of 6. So from this case now we shall be able to have now a minus 2 is equals to, so let's split this maths problem by now having the log of 6. So we shall divide both sides by the log of 6, then also plus the log of 8, also divide by the log of 6. So from here now we shall have a minus 2 still is equals to, so the log 6 and the log of 6 shall cancel. So now we shall have 1 plus now the log of 8 all over the log of 6 all over the log of 6. So in this case now we shall now say that on a minus 2 we want to remove a minus 2. So before that we'll know that, assume now we have something like the log of a all over the log of b. Okay, so this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So I want us to express the log of 8 all over the log of 6 to the form of the log of a to the base of b. So now we shall now have a minus 2 is equals to, now we shall have 1 plus the log of 8 now to the base of 6. So from here now we shall now express it and say now our a shall be now is equals to 1 plus the log of 8 to the base of 6. Then because this one was minus 2, when you cosine it will be plus. So now we shall have plus 2. So in this case we shall now end up with our answer, and the answer that we shall now end up with, we shall now say that 2 plus 1 is 3. So now we shall have a is equals to 3 plus the log of 8 to the base of 6. So this one shall be our answer. So this answer we have now expressed it in the form of the log. or the logarithmic. Now we can also express this one into the form of a decimal. So let's express it into the form of decimal. So when you do that, now we shall now have a is equals to, so 3 plus, so the log of 8 to the base of 6, we shall now have the log of 8 all over now the log of 6 expressed that way. So when you use our calculator, now we shall now say that a is equals to 3 plus, when you work the log of 8 divided by the log of 6 using our calculator, we shall have 1.1605. So this one shall be the answer that shall appear on our calculator. So when you now add 3 plus 1.6055, so now we shall now conclude that our value for a is equals to, so we shall now have 4 point, so when you round off 4.16056. So this one now shall be our final answer into the form of a decimal. So if you really enjoyed how we worked out this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.